To transfer XRP from one platform to another. The process is relatively straightforward. First, open the Sending Platforms app and click on the Transfer option. A window will pop up with several options. Select the Send Crypto option. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer by using the search bar to find it. Then, you'll need to obtain the wallet address from the receiving platform. To do this, open the Receiving Platforms app. Log in and click on the Deposit button. Select the cryptocurrency option. Choose the desired cryptocurrency from the list and select a network. Typically, the default network is sufficient. Click on the paper or copy icon next to the wallet address to copy it. Return to the Sending Platforms app. Paste the wallet address into the input bar and select it. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Ensure that the same network is selected on both platforms once you've entered the details. Click the Review button. Confirm that the wallet address and amount are correct, and then click the Send button. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully transfer your XRP from one platform to another.